Humans are a creative species, and content creation has been there since way before the internet and social media. But what do you think content creation was like before the internet became a household staple? Superboys of Malegaon shows exactly what original content going viral in a small town could look like. Let's start with a little background. Superboys of Malegaon is inspired by a documentary that was made in 2008 by Faiza Ahmed Khan. It is about Nasir Sheikh, a young man from Malegaon, which is a small town in Maharashtra, and his passion for filmmaking, which will make your passion for making dalgona coffee during COVID seem so time pass. The documentary was released in theaters in 2012, a phenomenon that rarely happens nowadays. It gained quite some popularity then, and the larger population became more familiar or at least got to know about the micro cinema industry based in Malegaon. And you just know that is what everybody's looking up on YouTube now. Nasir Sheikh and his elder brother own a cinema hall, which is more like a cinema room in scale. Nothing sophisticated, basic setup, basic chairs, basic screen, basic visitors. Ironically, they screen Charlie Chaplin and Buster Keaton movies, which I bet a large chunk of the urban population has not watched yet. A handful of people turn up for the shows to laugh at the physical comedy of the black and white silent films, while most people go to the other cinema hall that plays up to date Bollywood hits. Nasir's business is obviously suffering. The solution? Make your own films. Okay, Nasir is also a wedding videographer, so he picks up some editing tricks quite easily and he makes mashups of multiple movies catering to his audience's appetite for comedy. But this lands him in trouble with the police because piracy is a crime. What comes out of this is a light bulb moment. Create original content right from scratch.
मुंबई नहीं जा सकते, मुंबई को उधर लाना पड़ेगा। क्या मतलब? इधर ही पिक्चर बनाते ना।
He rallies his friends to make a crew, so together they have actors, cameramen, and the bap of them all, the writer. This is their side gig, by the way, because all of them have day jobs to go back to. The endeavor is a hit, and the newfound fame takes Nasir on a coming of age journey where he begins to see his friendships, love, his art from a more nuanced perspective. There, I finally said it. Nuance. Superboys of Malegaon is not driven by conflict. It's not like the protagonist has some very big problem to solve and solving the problem wraps up the movie. Rather, it is more character driven and there is more than one character whose life and dreams we get to see. Of course, there is one big challenge, and the whole trailer is about that. The audience follows every step taken by Nasir and his friends to make Malegaon Ke Sholay, starting from a scramble for a script, to cast, to costumes, to equipment, to making changes in the script for funding. But then we also get to see the different layers of different characters. Nasir has a love for the arts, but he thinks like a businessman first. He is hell bent on following his dream, and that may make you think he is a little heartless. But then again, you also see him nurture a bond with his wife, which is notable because theirs was not a love story. Then there's Farooq, the writer. He's disgruntled, like most writers. He faces disappointment in his career and he feels he is not appreciated enough, like most writers. He has even taken to the bottle, like most writers.
तेरे को लगता है तू बहुत बड़ा ओरिजिनल आर्टिस्ट है ना? हाँ हूँ मैं। और याद रख, राइटर बाप होता है, राइटर।
Then there is Trupti, who is the only woman actor in Nasir's group. You think, oh my god, what a diva, but she's also the person who gives the reality check that actors live dual lives, and very rarely are these two lives alike. Whatever be their personal stories, grievances, obstacles, doubts, they put it aside and come together when a dear friend is diagnosed with a bade logo ki bimari. And then, for the first time, you see Nasir make a movie not for money. Adarsh Gaurav can't believe he's the same guy from Kho Gaye Hum Kahan. Nasir is as far removed from Neil as Malegaon is from Mumbai. He is absolutely at home playing a regular guy who is focused on making a vision come alive despite the naysayers, despite a failed relationship. The sequence where we see NS Productions, Superboys of Malegaon, is one that will live rent free in my head for a long time. While all eyes within the film were on the screen, his eyes were affixed to his friend, And then you see the very rare sight where someone realizes that at least something they've done in life is worth it. Shashank Arora is a seasoned actor, and it's evident every time he's on screen, in whichever movie or show. I'd say his character is the closest to the protagonist in the hierarchy of caste. CAST, cast. Then there is Vineet Kumar Singh, who was quite a buzz last month for his role in Chava. You'll get to see more of him here. Apart from the obvious hair, makeup, and costume, how a film is shot, the film used, the color grading is so important to take a viewer back in time to the era when a film is set. The color palette for this movie is more earthy and warm, giving you a sense of familiarity. And there are several scenes where the play of light and shadows is very prominent. I mean, the entire movie is, on the surface, about making movies. So, the camera work is not something that really stood out to me. It's dynamic and keeps you in the flow. I really wonder how it would impact the audience if more movies like Superboys of Maligaon were played in theaters, and which honestly do have a very OTT feel to it. This movie, similar to the other movies written by Varun Grover, is about the regular man. The challenges the characters in the movie face are minuscule compared to the conflicts in the movies that are about savior of the masses sort of a hero. It is therefore very close to our own experiences in some way. Superboys of Maligaon is a Rima Kakti movie, and similar to her previous works like Honeymoon Travels, Gully Boy, Dil Dhadakne Do, not Archie's, it challenges stereotypes. But are we ready for that? The movie is overall a comedy, but there is a heavy dose of emotions that makes you think about the fragility of life and the purpose of life in the second half of the movie. And I don't know if that is the vibe you're looking for on a date night. It's a good movie, definitely. I recommend you watch it, especially if you like films that make you think and maybe broaden your horizon a little bit. The last I checked, it's not doing very well in the box office because you know how we are. We love machine guns and heaving bosoms and bloodshed and hate. Sensible movie hai, dekh lo. Or are you waiting for Sikandar? A little bit of introduction. Hi, I'm Jessica. I talk about movies and shows and I update my channel twice a week. So like and subscribe to be in the loop.